Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to NIEBS Home School. I am Ashis Biswas, an assistant teacher of mathematics in National Ideal English Version School, morning shift. My dear student, today I am going to take a math class for the student of class 5. Our today's topics will be chapter 5. From chapter 5, we shall solve CBQ number 5, which is taken from your suggestion of annual term. My dear student, today is our lecture number 44 of annual term, and there is a good news for you. There is no SW today. Okay, so let us start our class. Before starting our class, at first we read the question. Question CBQ number 5. The buses of 3 companies depart the bus station after 12, 15 and 18 minutes respectively. I repeat, the buses of 3 companies depart the bus station every 12, 15 and 18 minutes respectively. Question number A. By using this information, we shall solve question number A and B. Question number A is departing the station together first. Okay. After what minimum minutes will the buses depart together again? And the students notice here, departing the station together first after what minimum time? Here minimum is present. As minimum is present, minimum minutes, that means we do LCM of this 3 number and we get the answer of this question. Okay. Question number B. If they depart the bus station together at 3 p.m., what will they depart together the next time? My dear students, from A we get the required minimum time when the bus will depart together. Okay, depart together again. Then from A we get the required time in minutes, but here the time is in hours. So at first we convert this minutes into hour. After that that hour is added with this 3 p.m. and we get the required answer. Okay, so we can start our problem. Question number A. So first of all we write given that the buses of 3 companies depart the bus station every 12, 15 and 18 minutes. Okay, okay, minutes respectively. Okay, here I write respectively. Okay, now I write we need to find out the required minimum minutes, that means required minimum time. So right here, the required minimum time will be the LCM of 12, 15 and 18. Now we find out the LCM 12, 15, 18. So now we notice which prime number is common. Okay, 12, 15 and 18. We notice that 15 is odd number, as this is odd number, so 12 and 18 is divided only by 2. So we take 3 first. 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15 and 3 6 are 18. Then we take, notice 4 and 6 both is divided by 2. 2 2s are 4, 5 is here, after that 2 3s are 6. Now notice 2, 3, 5, there is no common prime factor except 1. So we multiply the numbers and we get the LCM of 12, 15 and 18. Now write LCM of 12, 15 and 18 is, write 3 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 5 multiply 3. Now notice 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 5s are 60, 60 multiply 3, that means we get 180. So 180 minutes is the required answer. So now we can write the buses will depart together again after every 180 minutes. So write, so the buses will depart together again after every 180 minutes. Okay, as the question asks you to find out the time in minutes, so we need not to convert this minute into hour and write this 180 minutes. But if the question asks you to find out the required time in hour, that means the question asks what minimum hours, then you must convert this minute into hour. I hope you have understood. Okay, so this is the answer of question number A. We need this information to solve question number B. Here question number B is, if they depart the bus station together at 3 p.m. what will they depart together next time? So first of all we write given that. Number B, right, given that. Given that the 3 buses depart the bus station together at 3 p.m. Now right from A we get the buses, we write this information, buses will depart together again after every 180 minutes. Notice here the time is in hour, that means 3 p.m. but here the time is in minutes. So we need to convert this minute into hour first. Okay, so how can we know that? 1 hour equal to 60 minutes, that means 60 minutes makes 1 hour, right? We know that 60 minutes equal to 1 hour. Therefore 180 minutes equal to, divide 180 by 60 hours. Okay, notice 180 minutes equal to 180 divided by 60 hours. Now notice in 180 60 goes in how many times? 60 goes in 3 times, that means 3 hours. Okay, then now right, so they will depart together next time they will depart together next time at, notice these 3, okay, plus these 3 hours p.m. that means 6 p.m. Now right answer 6 p.m. will be the required answer. Okay, I hope you have understood. My dear student, this is so easy question, and if you practice this question at least 2 or 3 times, then it is easier for you and you can't forget this problem. So my dear students, I hope you have understood my today's lecture. Okay, keep practicing at home, abide by your parents. See you soon. Till then, assalamu alaikum.